Vivo Saima 2017, powered by Himalaya Purifying Neem Face Wash and Bosch Washing Machines. The red carpet just got more beautiful. அதாவது தமிழ்ல சொல்லணும்னா ஒரு பூ கேட்டு ஒரு பூந்தோட்டமே கிடைக்கும்போது எவ்வளோ சந்தோஷமா இருக்குமோ அதே மாதிரி இந்த மேடைக்கு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா இந்த red carpetக்கு we asked for an actress, but I think an angel has come, and the moment she came it's just been like little Miss Sunshine because she's been spreading so much joy. The fans are happy, the stars are happy, and we are very happy. And I'm going to give you clues about her so that you can keep guessing and let us know in the comment section below. She's someone who has been ruling all the 4 languages. She is someone who is just a phenomenal dancer. She is a wonderful performer, and let me tell you, she has not aged since the moment she debuted. I am not kidding. She's been in the industry for over a decade, but she's been killing it because in each of her movies she performs like a boss, and she always wins over every person that watches her films because there's that innocence about her, there's that cuteness about her, because be it an epic movie or like A Girl Next Door or a commercial film, she always nails it. And not just on camera, off camera as well, she is a true heroine because she's always been inspiring other girls, and recently she started an NGO where we have a lot of people like இத பத்தி நான் தமிழ்ல சொல்லணும்னா ஒரு ஸ்பா அவங்க ஆரம்பிச்சிருக்காங்க. சோ அங்க அதுல வேலை பார்க்கறவங்க சரி, அதுல மசாஜ் பண்றவங்க சரி, எல்லாரும் பாத்தீங்கன்னா கண்ணு தெரியாதவங்கங்க. இத வேற எந்த மாதிரியும் சொல்ல முடியாது. அதாவது இருக்கிறவங்க எல்லாரும் பார்வை இல்லாதவங்க அவங்க தான் மசாஜ் பண்றாங்க. So when someone cannot see, they have all their powers in their hands, and their hands truly have healing powers ன்னு சொல்லி ஆகணும். So அதை யூட்டிலைஸ் பண்ணி அவங்களுக்கு வந்து வாழ்க்கையில ஒரு ஒளிவட்டம் கொடுத்து அவங்களுக்கு வந்து ஒரு ஆப்பர்ச்சுனிட்டி கொடுத்து அவங்களுக்காக ஒரு கரியர் இவங்க கிரியேட் பண்ணி கொடுத்துட்டு இருக்காங்க. So this is truly a beautiful thing that she's been doing, and அவங்களுக்காக we always have lots and lots of love. And in the red carpetலயும் பாத்தீங்கன்னா for her we are just very happy that she's here. Ladies and gentlemen, we have Shriya Saran here with us. Truly an angel. You're looking lovely, Shriya. I'm going to give you your mic.
Isn't she very beautiful?
No.
Today she was taking my interview and I was looking at her eyes. And she's going like this like the whole time.
And we've been looking at your eyes forever, I think. Here's your mic.
Thank you.
And you have always been someone who's very active on social media. Always
I'm actually
connecting.
not.
You on Instagram, you give
Yes,
us sneak
I am a
peek.
little bit,
yes,
yeah.
a sneak peek of your personal life, what happens in your day-to-day life. You always manage to connect with your fans somehow or the other. So how important are mediums like these to connect with them?
Well, it's really important because you kind of understand what people are thinking because they comment on what you post, and you understand what they like. End of the day, I tell a story and I want people to love it, and I want people to connect to those stories. And it feels great that they love you, they accept you, they appreciate you as an actor. You want that love and acceptance all the time, and that's what you live for.
Absolutely.
And I'm here today because you all have tolerated me all these years, haven't you?
Tolerated? Oh my God. We have so many people watching you live. In fact, Rakesh is like, see? Can we keep that going? That is Shriya for us, ladies and gentlemen. Not just one industry, but every industry loves her. Everybody loves her. In fact, Mr. Rakesh has commented that he really loves you. So all our audience are just live. What would you like to say to them?
I would say thank you for loving my films. Enjoy every moment you have, even if it's about posting pictures and liking.
My God, we've given a mic to your fans. That's how much they love you, and that's how much they always want you to be there, and you truly deserve it. That is what you've earned, Shriya, all this while. So much of love. They've been waiting here ever since we started this red carpet. Every moment an actress walked in, they're like, oh, Shriya's here, Shriya's here. And then they're like, when is she going to come? And the moment you walked there, it didn't stop. It's still on. How emotional is this moment for you that you get to see your fans internationally here in a different country?
Well, it feels wonderful. It feels fantastic. There's a sense of gratitude, sense of... there's not one day that passes by when I don't thank God for what I have today, because I sometimes feel...
They're not going to let you speak. They really
I sometimes feel it's a dream that I'm living. But if it's a dream, I want this dream to go on forever.
Absolutely, and you truly deserve it. You're one of the most talented, beautiful, wonderful actors that we have in this industry. And being a part of Saima is something that has always been there with you, associated from the day one. How does it feel to be here today?
It feels wonderful. I've been part of Saima since the day of its inception. I'm very proud of what Vishnu and Brinda have done, and the entire team, sleepless nights, they work really hard for 2-3 nights and for weeks and weeks just to make sure that everything looks as grand as it does. We really rehearse and work hard for our performances, and I'm performing on, I'm doing a tribute to Khushbu ma'am, Suhasini ma'am and Meena ma'am, and I'm really excited to be here. So love Saima, love yourself, enjoy every moment, like how we enjoyed Saima. Saima's like a festival for us, and thank you. Thank you guys for loving me.
Thank you, and you are a celebration to us. Every time we see you, we celebrate. Thank you so much, Shriya, for being such a beautiful person inside out. Thank you so much. Thank you. Have a wonderful Saima. And she's twirling away, ladies and gentlemen. That was the gorgeous Shriya Saran for us. She is going to be interacting with all her fans very, very soon here at Abu Dhabi, where everybody has been waiting for her. And she is someone who totally deserves their attention, because she does not shy away from them, she does not ignore them, she embraces their love. She always returns the amount of affection, and she always manages to show them her gratitude. She is here where she is, for how long she's been here, and for what she is truly because of her hard work. For someone who is an outsider, who came into the industry with big dreams, the place that she has managed to create for herself, the mind that she has, the strong discipline that she has, and the way she takes care of herself, the way she chooses her projects, and the way she takes care of her fans is truly why, ladies and gentlemen, Shriya Saran is a force to reckon with. And this is the specialty of Saima, because even on an international platform, the actors are not away from the fans. Just because we bring them to another country does not mean that they miss out on the love that they can get, because wherever we go, our South Indian film industry is that strong, that dynamic, that wherever we go, we manage to find a lot of love and a lot of attention, and our stars absolutely love it. And we will certainly not forget about you guys, because we had this Facebook Live exclusively for all of you, so that you can be a part of this great event and enjoy it as much as we do. And we're done for the day, but tomorrow we're going to be back here for your favorite Tamil and Malayalam stars. So they're going to be joining us on this red carpet at their best, and I'm going to be back here. So guys, keep sending your comments. We will read them out tomorrow. For now, tada, bye-bye. But see you again tomorrow here on Vivo Saima 2017, powered by Himalaya Purifying Neem Face Wash and Bosch Washing Machines. Red carpet. Love you guys. Good night.